near. I won't be warm enough when it gets colder. And you look at me for answers, and I'm not much older. But I won't cope with the mornings and the nights you need. And I won't see past my shadow and my swollen greed. But they're sending disco lasers into outer space to find a better future for the human race. And there might be something hiding in the sands of Mars. And I hope you love the stars. This is my fear. I won't be good